and I become very curious. Because from young, I was always asking, what's the meaning and what's the purpose of life? So in religion, we find a lot of the answers to that question. So over a very long period of time, I slowly learned about the religion. Maybe about 14, 15 years ago, I officially convert, yeah.
Lahir di Taiwan dan tumbuh besar di Singapura, Profesor Jackie Ying sudah mengenal Islam sejak usia muda. Ilmuwan yang menemukan alat tes cepat COVID-19 ini awalnya tertarik mempelajari Islam karena agama ini mendorong umatnya untuk terus menuntut ilmu.
Our religion always teaches us to seek knowledge, right? Because the knowledge can be very useful for our society, our community. And also, I would say, a lot of scientific knowledge points again and again to the existence of God. So I think the two doesn't have problem with each other. People always ask me, is there a conflict between religion and science? I say, no, not whatsoever. For example, we are looking at bioengineering, right? Bioengineering is about learning about the complexity in biology, okay? And sometimes we cannot fully understand everything, but we can easily appreciate how complex the human body is, for example, right? What's the probability of that come to being by itself? The probability is really very, very small. So there's got to be a creator, right? That we are all born in a manner that is really fairly free from defects, okay? So this actually again and again affirms the existence of Allah.
Beliau juga menganggap akidah Islam adalah yang paling sederhana dibandingkan dengan agama lainnya, sehingga hal ini memudahkan beliau untuk menerima Islam. Jika kita amati, seringkali kita menemukan mualaf dengan kepintaran seperti profesor ini, namun tidak pernah kita temui hal serupa pada mereka yang murtad dari Islam.
It wasn't difficult for me to actually accept Islam. Very simple religion. It's much easier for me to accept actually than other more complicated religious concepts. So Islam is very simple religion, but at the same time, I think most people who are not familiar with the religion will be very, very surprised to realize that how much knowledge there is in this religion. So the depth of knowledge is tremendous. When I first opened the Quran, I mean, it was very clear to me, this book is very, very special and very unusual book. Yeah, because it has so much information in it that in those days, for example, the scientific knowledge would not have been able to describe such details, and yet it was all in the Quran.